everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a much requested video for Shein's foil. If you've watched my previous haul, there was a ton of foils in there and I had a lot of people asking if I could show what they were like. So I'm using Sparkle Supply's Foil Me Gel, which is absolutely amazing. It is 100% my favourite foil gel. Thanks to Beth at Beauty Matters. She has a discount code, so I managed to pick this up and yeah, it is 100% the best one that I've tried. So it is quite a quick video. As I said, I'm only using a couple. I've put a base colour down and then one layer of Foil Me and cure for 30 seconds. As you will see in the video, the foils from Shein are amazing. I am so impressed with them. I'm not sure if it's because I've got good foil gel or they are just genuinely incredible foils. There is pretty much nothing left over. You do get a whole full coverage with them and they are so affordable. So all the information about the Shein foils will be in the previous video. I'm not going to ramble on too much, so I'm just going to leave you to watch. If you have any questions, please just let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks again for watching and I hope you enjoy. Take care, bye.